Hi, today I'm making ginger, chicken, and seasoned rice. So, this is just a take on chicken and rice. It's something that you can do before you go to work. I actually marinate my chicken using the Lawry's brand Sesame ginger marinade. This marinade is something that you can, I've added garlic powder, but you can add whatever you like. Pepper. I add fresh green onions as well as, sometimes additional black pepper. But I found that using the red pepper flakes, about an eighth of a teaspoon, that actually makes the dish. So between those two or three additions, it really marinates well. Next, you're going to add the chicken. I put it on foil on a cookie sheet, and I'm going to bake that at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to begin my seasoned rice. So this is something that you can do if you want a flavored rice. And so this is actually a quarter teaspoon of paprika, garlic powder, 1 to 2 bouillon cubes. You'll use a half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, as well as a quarter teaspoon of thyme, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. And this is where you have a choice to use either 2 tablespoons of butter if you want a butter seasoned rice, or if you want sesame seasoned rice, you can use a tablespoon of sesame oil. So it's really your choice of fat. It's a cup of rice that I'm cooking because I'm only cooking a small amount. And you're going to add all of those ingredients to the rice as it cooks. And as you can see, I'm just adding them, and I'm adding, for that 1 cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water, and it's going to bubble and boil, and you're going to just kind of stir all the ingredients together. Again, like I said, depending on whether you did butter rice or seasoned sesame oil rice, it just really is whatever you like. Once it's done, it is a delicious flavor, and it pairs well with the baked chicken, and I add some fresh green onions to it, and dinner is served.